How to fix IP Games error, that is IE1003. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have such kind of error in your device, then for that, first of all, you have to click on the search icon, and in the search bar, you have to search for Run. And once the Run prompt pops up in your device, now on the text field that says open, you have to type in percentage local app data and also percentage. So type in percentage local app data and now click on OK. Now you'll be taken in this interface where you will see bunch of folders. From this available folders, click on any one of the folders, then you have to press E key in your keyboard. Now look for the folders that begins with Epic. So if you see any folders that begins with Epic, all you have to do is delete them. So in my case, here I have two folders, that is Epic Games and Epic Online Service UI Helper. So you have to select all of the folders that begins with Epic. Right click on them, then click on delete. Once you delete these folders, now you could close this. Now you have to restart your PC. After that, your problem will be solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.